If you want to learn how to do this wall art with $19 or less, stay tuned and you'll see exactly how I do it. It took probably about 30 minutes to do. This paper that you see right here, I bought it from Michael's. Everything that in this video that I'll be using will be from Michael. So this is going to be used for the pattern, the black paper, but in the video you'll see me using green paper. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the black paper and I'm going to use the green paper and use it as a pattern. Okay, so the canvases that I bought, I think they were probably about $12.99, and you get 5 canvases in the pack. But today we're only going to be using 3 canvases, so go ahead and open it up and we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is use the green paper, which is in a square. We're going to fold it over and we're going to draw a line from the corner to the corner with the Sharpie. Once we draw this line, we're going to go ahead and cut on the line because we want to get our first shape. This is going to be used for the pattern for everything that we're going to be doing, okay, because we're going to have 3 different shapes. We're going to have a triangular shape, we're going to have a square, which we don't have to measure, and we're going to have a circle. So this is the triangular pattern that we're going to use for our first canvas, and then the next one is going to be a circle. We're folding it over 2 times. Now if the distance from corner to corner is 6 inches, then you're going to draw 6 inches going all the way around, and you're going to see how this is going to give you the perfect shaped circle, because we want them all to be the same size, but they're going to be different shapes. So go ahead and cut on that line and open it up, and you see you have your circle. So this is our second shape for the pattern, and we already have our square. So right now you see me using the Sharpie to draw around the outside edge so that we'll know where to use our Mod Podge for the glue. So I'm doing the square, and I'm also going to do the triangular. And so after this I'm going to go in with the Mod Podge, and you see me just drawing inside of that line, and I just used that Sharpie so that we could get the perfect line. I think I used a little bit too much on the square, so I went and took a little bit out. So just don't be too generous with the Mod Podge because you don't need a lot. After that, you're going to go in with your glitter on each one of your shapes and drop it easy. We all learned that in elementary school. So and then the Mod Podge draws pretty fast. So after we drop our glitter, we're going to go in and we're going to cut 2 inches away. That's what you see me doing from the pattern, and we're going to go ahead and mark this shape on the textured black paper, right? Because we want it to be a little bit smaller, so I cut away 2 inches, right? And so that's how we get that shape. So we're going to do the same with the square. We cut away 2 inches. We're going to go ahead and cut out the texture paper for that and the triangular shape, and you already see how it turned out. I used the glue gun to apply that texture black paper to the black glitter, to the gold glitter, and it was very simple to do. You may use the Mod Podge to do it, but that's what I used. This is the finished result, you guys. If you like this video, please leave a comment below, and this is Clarice, and I'll see you guys in the next video.